Hello everyone, it's the one and only It's Flake here, back again with another video, and today I'm going to be doing another tier list. I know, I haven't been doing one of those in a while, now haven't I? Today I'm going to be doing classic Sonic games. Because last time I was doing classic Mario, now I'm doing classic Sonic. Starting off, Sonic 1. It's what started it all, and, well, my personal opinion, it's aight, but put that B. It's a good game, but it didn't really It's a good game, but it's not that good of a game. Actually, no, lower you down to C. Sonic 2 is a pretty good B, because it improved on Sonic 1, and it made it more fun. Sonic 3 Knuckles, A. That's like God tier game. It's God tier. It's so good. I actually really like Sonic 3 Knuckles. Sonic 4 Episode 1. The Sonic 4 duology, it's bad, but I feel like people hate it too much. It doesn't deserve as much hate as it gets. Sonic 4 Episode 1 was not that good. I don't want to put it at the same level as Sonic 1, though. D. It wasn't that good. Sonic 4 Episode 2 was a major improvement. I'm gonna bump it up to C. Sonic Mania, that's another A. I really liked Sonic Mania. It is a really fun game. There's not really many jokes to be made throughout this. It's more actual opinionated words. I cannot produce those right now. But yeah, this is my tier list. Next episode is gonna be the modern Sonic games. But anyways, that's all for this time. It's Flaky, signing out. Bye.